wood processing site.
Guys, we've just got a 100-ton wood order.
That's a lot. We should get to work right now. The first log is ready to be sent to the sawmill. Great, the first log chunk is sliced. Now the pusher will send it to the collection conveyor, and it will be sorted into the A-class for storage.
Wow! Our wood processing line is truly number one.
How to build a wood processing line. Number 1. Wood feeding conveyor. Conveyor deck. Now I'll build the stand legs. Add the gear. Attach the stand legs to the conveyor deck. The conveyor belt. The clamp. Testing with tomato. Number 2. Wood sawmill machine. Testing with tomato. Number 3. Wood outfeed pusher. The wood processing line is done.
Alright, the next log is coming up. This log chunk is best for basic construction. Let's send it to B-class storage. Half the wood has been processed. Let's keep going.
Wow! Looks like the B-class wood tray is full already, buddy.
Alright then, we'll get back to processing A-class log chunks.
All the wood has been processed.
I'll go deliver them right now. What a joke. They said our log chunks are too big.
We need to make them smaller.
Whoa! The log chunks have been split in half.
That's not enough. Let's split them into quarters. The firewood is ready to go.
This time, they'll definitely go through.
Oh no, the forest is full of stumps.
You're under arrest for illegal deforestation.
Run quickly. You'll never catch us.
Fishing port.
It's time for fishing, bro.
Yes, sir.
Our boat is full of fish. We need to go to the fish drop-off, Dockmaster.
Please wait, the bridge will open right now.
How to build fishing ship.
I brought the parts to assemble the ship.
Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Built the loading conveyor belt. This loading conveyor is used to pull fish up from the sea. The support frame. Lego tread links. The gearbox. The motor. Connect to the battery box. I'll build another one to bring the fish into the ship. Step 2. Build the unloading conveyor belt. Lego tread links. Add the motor. Now, let's connect the two conveyors together.
I want to test if this conveyor can transport fish up.
Lego fish and crab. Now, let's attach the conveyors to the ship and add the wheelhouse.
Let's move this fish to the gathering place, everybody. We're done. Let's go home. Oh no, what happened? This boat is too big. Oh no, the boat is about to sink. Someone help us.
You will need a better fishing boat.
I'll reuse this collecting boat from my previous episode to fish.
This boat might boost our productivity 10 times. It works so well. We caught more fish than the old boat. All the fish have been unloaded onshore. Let's move, everyone. We'll go to the next fishing port. Awesome, the boat has successfully turned around.
The garbage truck is here.
Let's throw away the restaurant leftovers, buddy. Bye-bye.
Garbage processing plant. Press machine. Slice machine. Press machine.
The trash has arrived.
We should start processing them now. Appetizers. Let's start with appetizers trash first. Boiled carrot. French fries. Boiled broccoli. Our press machine is too weak. We need to change to a stronger pressing head. Making press machine with paper knives head. Step 1. Build the machine frame. Add the gears. Add the cover to the gear set. Add the motor. I'll need these two engine blocks. Next, attach the support legs to the machines. Step 2. Build the cutting head. Attach the head to the frame. I need to make the cutting head for this machine. I will use this paper cutter blade to make the cutting head. Cutting head is done. Or bee's balloon. Let's try this boiled broccoli again, with the paper knife's head. Main courses. Now we will process the main course trash. Susie. Chicken popcorn. Desserts.
I brought the spoiled dessert trash here.
Jello mold. Let's try it with the saw blade's head. Lactic acid bacteria bread. This saw blade's head seems the best. All trash has been processed. Making press machine with saw blade's head. Build the saw blade's head, the gears. Attach the saw head to the frame, or bee's balloon.
Do you want to build a mini factory?
I have an idea!
Crane. Hammer. Conveyor.